Hello, this is lesson 10.2, area of a trapezoid, rhombus, and kites. The area of a trapezoid. All right, what you want to do is look for parallel lines. So you're going to look for parallel lines. These are your bases when you look for the parallel lines. Trapezoid has one pair of parallel lines. The other ones could be congruent. They don't have to be. All right, so the height or altitude, how tall is the shape, is perpendicular distance between the bases. So what you're going to do is take half of your height. You don't have to do it in this order, but 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases is your formula. So here's an example. Again, write the formula. 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases, b1 plus b2. And substitute. So 1/2 the height in this problem is 18. One of your bases is 30, and the other base is 36. And go ahead and do all of the stuff. So 1/2 times 18 times 56. And so that's going to equal 504 inches squared. All right, next one, same thing. Area is equal to 1/2 the height times the sum of your bases. And substitute, so 1/2, my height in this problem is 16. One of my bases is 21 and the other one is 38. So 1/2 times 16 times 59, which equals 472 inches squared. And find the area of a trapezoid with a height of 7 and a base of 12 and 15. So area equals 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases, which equals 1/2 the height is 7, one base is 15, and then the other one is 12. So 1/2 of 7 times 27, which equals 94.5 centimeters squared. Next one. The rhombus and the kites have perpendicular diagonals. So 1/2 d1 times d2, find the area of the rhombus. So first, this is going to equal this over here. So this is 13. And this diagonal, so that means this is 12 and this is 12. And you have a right angle here. So my hypotenuse is 13, which is always along the side. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. A squared plus 144 equals 169. Subtract 144 from both sides. So a squared is equal to 25. So a is equal to square root of 25. So a equals 5. So this is 5 and this is 5. These are both 5s here. So area is equal to 1/2 d1 d2. So 1/2 of 24 times 10. And that'll give you 120 feet squared. Next one. area is equal to 1/2 D1 D2. So this is equal to 1/2 6 times 7. And that'll give you 21 inches squared. And then the last one, area is equal to 1/2 D1 D2, which is equal to 1/2 times 5 times 6, which is equal to 15 centimeters squared. 1 here plus 4 here is 5 for the diagonal.